Episode 66. So, majority of the carpentry is on the verge of completion with regards to the block carpentry, as in like internal detailing, the internal structures, everything is ready. So this is the living room area. We have completed with the sitting furnitures. We are yet to start with the TV unit paneling and the dining area. In the kids bedroom, you see the door framing is also done. The window storage seating is completed. There is a patch paneling which is here above the window area, that has been completed. Bed has been completed. The structure, in external structure and the internal detailing have been completed. That is what I wanted to convey. Now in the master bedroom, we have completed the door framing. This is the slider wardrobe. This is the door for the bathroom area, and the rest is all wall punning is all completed. So majorly carpentry is getting ready for the bedroom area. Thank you so much guys. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. See you. Bye bye.